Hello buddies, if you are trying to change yourself or if you want to change yourself, then you are in the right place. Let's find out how you can change yourself within the next 1 month. Here are some ways. The first one is exercise. Exercising can have many benefits. It will not only keep you healthy, but also boost your self-confidence. You must have seen your favorite celebrities doing exercise or yoga every day, not only to stay fit, but also because there are many benefits of exercising, like reverse aging, better skin, posture improvement, better sleep, and also mood improvement. The second one, water intake. A research has found significant differences in health outcomes between people with higher water intake and those with lower water intake. It also have many more benefits. For example, clear skin boosts productivity, improve digestion, increase immunity, and sharpen thinking. So try to drink at least 2 liters of water throughout the day. Third step, plan your next day before going to bed. Believe me, this is an easy way to improve your entire day and achieve your goals. Every smart person does the same thing. Better time management. You can use your time efficiently for work and personal tasks. It reduces stress. You can feel more in control and avoid last-minute rushes. It also increases productivity. Fourth one, learning a new skill or a hobby in which you are really interested. It can be like learning a new language, sports, cooking, dancing, reading, painting, and many more. It says that every new skill you learn is a step closer to the best version of yourself. The fifth one, last but not the least, affirmations. As we all know, that we all are made up of energy. And what we say, what we see, what we hear, what we think, all of this affects us by physically and mentally. And you can use affirmations to change your life. You can say affirmations in the morning, or you can say affirmations just before going to bed, or both times. Affirmations can help by reducing stress, shifting negative thought patterns to positive ones, increasing self-esteem and confidence, and motivating healthy behaviors. By repeating positive statements, you can reprogram your subconscious, cultivate gratitude, and improve overall mental and emotional well-being. I'm not just guiding you randomly. I've followed all these steps and changed my life. And now it's your turn. You can subscribe to our channel for more such videos. And if you want a video on any topic, then you can comment